Do you need a professional AGA cleaner in Blackpool, Lytham, St Anne's and surrounding areas? Well, you're in the right place. My name is Brent Latham and I am a perfectionist when it comes to getting your AGA perfectly clean. I pay particular attention to every single detail of your AGA. I use only environmental friendly and natural products, and unlike any other professional AGA cleaners in your area, you can ring right now and get your call answered, be given a quote and be booked in for your AGA clean by my lovely office staff. But wait a minute, I have a special offer for you. You don't want to use any AGA cleaning company to clean your AGA, not doing a completely thorough job, using unsafe equipment or products or taking all day to do it. You need someone with experience, and with over 17 years of AGA cleaning experience, we know how to clean your AGA efficiently, safely and thoroughly, giving you the complete AGA cleaning service. We know how difficult it is to clean your AGA when it's hot and you have a little time to pay attention to it, which is why we ensure the perfect job first time, so you can focus on other things in your life. If you call and book right now, we will give you an oven liner that you can use to line your oven trays in your AGA. So call my number now or request a free quote. Let us clean your AGA in the Blackpool and surrounding areas and give you and your AGA something to smile about.